Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jame. This is my jam. And I have a reveal for you today. It's from Coach. I just don't, I've kind of talked about this a little bit, but okay, maybe a lot of it, about how I've just been really enjoying contemporary brands and what I would consider luxury brands that are a little less well known. Like, we know I love Fleuron and their swan bags, and I love Le Tanier, and just some other more, I can't really call them independent brands because all the luxury brands are technically like independent. Well, some are too, but I've just been, I guess, just been really enjoying them and comparing quality, and just thinking that I think my money is better spent, just in my opinion, on some of these other bags most of the time. I also do like pre-loved, and that's pretty typical how I'll buy, but I loved Coach growing up, and my first bags were Coach, and then
Have they been around that long?
Then I kind of fell away from that. But lately, I mean, I fell in love with the little Coach Tabby 20s, and ever since then, I think, but I mean, just lately, I am just in a chokehold. I'm telling you, Coach is just killing it. I got my newspaper print bag from the outlet, which I loved. I got my little LOD bag here, which I think is a good alternative to the Coach Soft Tabby, but a lot less expensive, easier to use. And then they had the pink coming out, and I wasn't quite sure if I wanted anything or not, and then I started looking at some of the pictures, and I'm like, yes, I want something. And they had some more denim stuff coming out, and I thought, yep, I want some of that too. Well, as luck would have it, my local Coach outlet store contacted me and said, hey, these bags are coming in. If there's anything you're interested in reserving, just let us know. And here's the first day you can reserve them, which was like a day or 2 days before they were launching. And so I'm like, I get up the morning of the launch. I know they launched at like 3 a.m. By the morning of the launch, most of the stuff was sold out. But I had contacted my local Coach outlet and asked for a number of pieces, and said, you know, even if I could just get one of a certain amount of these, I'd be so excited. And I didn't hear anything back. And I never heard anything back. Even after everything launched, I heard nothing. So I believe I think it launched, was it a Wednesday or Thursday? Well, Friday, I thought, you know what? I'm just going to go by the Coach outlet and just see if they happen to have anything else left. You know, maybe some stuff didn't sell out. I want to go see the stuff. And I went, and there wasn't a lot left. But there was something that I hadn't really seen before and didn't know it was coming out, and just goes perfectly with something I've spoken about recently. And that leads us to this.
A brown bag?
I saw this, and I had to have it. And this wasn't from the denim line. It wasn't from the pink line. I didn't even know it was coming out. But I got this gorgeous Rowen. I called this a Rogue last time, I believe. And this is it's got some of the loved leather here. So if you look at I don't know what these are called. If you look at the little leather pieces on here, they are the loved leather. And then the Coach hang tag is the loved leather. And then it comes with this little domino in gold and this little feather in silver. So I love the mixed metals. And then it's just got the CC on it. So it's like a coated canvas. Has gold hardware. And here, let me just... okay, so here's the front. The side.
Got the zipper on that side.
Yeah, the back has a little compartment. You maybe could stick your phone in to have it sticking out, but otherwise your phone's not going in there. Now, well, depends on the kind of phone you have, I guess. Here's the other side. There are no feet, but they have these beautiful rolled leather handles. And then when you open it up, the opening is nice and wide. And then it just opens up here to a dark black interior. Now, this is interesting, too. There's a slip pocket over here, a slip pocket over here, actually a zipper pocket. So a zipper pocket on the back, slip pocket on the front. And then it also comes with adjustable, removable strap. And then, of course, the top handles. So what would this be a great alternative to? Do you know?
Was it the Louis Vuitton doctor bag?
Speedy.
Yes. And
even the colors are very similar. So I don't know. You put this loved leather on stuff, and I'm just like, it's like a moth to a flame, I'm telling you. So I picked this up. I knew they had some things coming out with this print on it, with the loved leather parts to it, but I did not know that this bag was coming out. I saw it up on the shelf, and I was drawn immediately to it, went over to it, looked at it, and then handed it to Mick, and I'm just like, okay, yeah, this is coming home with me, and I couldn't be more excited. I absolutely love it. There's just no way you can tell me, like, what did this cost? It probably doesn't say on here. The retail price, I think, is on here. Is that the retail price? I can't see. It
says $350.
$350. It wasn't that. So, what was it, like $200? But you look at that, and then, okay, I could go pull off my Speedy. We know the Speedy 25 is probably a little bit bigger. Probably about the same.
Very similar shape for sure.
But it's also about $1,800 cheaper. And this bag is gorgeous. I mean, the same rolled handles. It doesn't even have, you don't have to worry about vachetta, like if you got a monogram print. It's got, this beautiful zipper, and it's pretty smooth. I mean, granted, going over a corner, it might have a little issue, but not an issue. Just slow it down some. But, it's just such a gorgeous bag, isn't it? So I just thought it was funny because I was just talking about alternatives to the Speedy, and I did mention the Rowen, although I kept calling it the Rogue in the video. The Rogue is more of the tote video, not the doctor bag. But there was no way it's not coming home with me. So while I didn't get the pink or anything, I was just in seventh heaven. It was even more exciting because I didn't know that it existed. So it's really cool to come into a store, find something you didn't even know was out there, and just fall in love with it and have it be there. And
have to take it home.
So, yeah, we had to take it home. So, yeah, and then just all the little goodies with it. Again, and these are substantial. The
domino.
Little gold domino and the little feather.
The domino, the Papa John's.
And I'm just really, really pleased with it all. The little Coach tag's so cute. And I normally don't like the CC print, but I really like it on here like this and the colors it is. So
yeah, it's kind of got the whole distressed bag kind of look with the CT.
Yeah. And seeing the pink, I don't think I would have liked the pink as well. There's no way I would have liked it as much as I like this. In this style, this bag,
Is the strap distressed too? Looks like one side is, maybe.
Yeah, I would say it definitely is. Yeah, one side's just sheer black, but that side's definitely distressed. The side that you normally would wear. So, yeah, I just think it's a gorgeous bag. So, I didn't know if ever anybody else was like me and didn't know this was out there. So, I just wanted to do a video and show it. I wish I could say this was the only Coach bag I bought, but I may have purchased a few other ones.
Yeah, I was busy carrying crap that night.
You were carrying stuff, and then I went online and found stuff. And all Coach outlet stuff. So you'll be seeing some more reveals because there's more to come. A lot of Coach. I'm loving it. I'm sorry. Okay. Whether or not it's affordable is a relative term. Birkin might be affordable to somebody and be something somebody else could never see in their lifetime. A Coach bag being $200 might be way out of the price range for somebody else, and they might see that as like I would see a Birkin. So I'm not going to say these are affordable by any means, but what I am going to say is the price of these compared to the big name luxury brands, there's just no way. Like I said, this is like 9 times less than this Louis Vuitton Speedy. And there is no way that the Louis Vuitton Speedy is 9 times better than this bag.
Actually, 10.
It's, okay, even 10. It's just, I just think Coach, and not just Coach, like I said, I love my Floron bags. I love my Latanier bags. And even the price of pre-loved items is good. Like, I still think that the canvas on pre-loved items from Louis Vuitton, more vintage items, is way better than the canvas you get now. So I just think there's a lot of neat ways where you can really grow your collection or change your collection in more affordable ways than I think ever before. So I was just really excited about this. I wanted to show it to all of you. If you like this video, please...
I got a question.
Okay.
Are you going to keep that bag?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why would you say that? I keep most of my bags.
Just checking.
Okay. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. I do typically put out these videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays in regards to both luxury and contemporary related handbags and small leather goods. On Mondays, I post videos where I swap from my current bag into my next bag that I'm going to use for the week. And I also switch out my small leather goods and show you them and talk about them as well. Occasionally on Thursdays, I do book-related videos where I'll do a book haul. And then I'll talk about what I've been reading, what I want to read, what I've read. And my next one, hopefully it'll be up next week.
It's actually once in a blood moon.
It'll hopefully be up next week. I'll also show you my book closet because I recently redid that. And
you did?
Yeah, there's still thousands of, probably about, wouldn't you say probably about 2,000 books at least? Okay, you did some.
Oh boy.
But there's, would you say about 2,000 books? Probably more.
I touched them all, yes.
You did not touch them all.
Oh so, yeah, I touched them.
So I have, so Thursdays are book videos. I am over on Instagram as well at James Jam. It's just JAME_S_Jam. I'm not to 1,000 yet over on Instagram. I'm trying to get there.
Heck?
And it's not, again, it's not a money thing. I have no idea. I'm sure some people make money on Instagram. I don't know how or why. I mean, I guess I know why, but I don't know how. That's not my goal. But I did just want to hit 1,000 over there.
Nice round number.
Right. I think that's more than enough for today. So, I will just end it with, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.